हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मेरा नाम है पलक और आज मैं आप लोग के साथ हिंदुस्तान ओलंपियाड 2025 का सेट ए क्वेश्चन पेपर के आंसर की शेयर करने जा रही हूँ। नोट दैट इट इज़ नॉट एन ऑफिशियल आंसर की। सो नाउ लेट अस प्रोसीड विद आवर एग्जाम पेपर सेट ए। हियर आर रिटन सम इंपॉर्टेंट इंस्ट्रक्शंस विच आर टू बी फॉलोड। ये जो पेपर है ये हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में दिया गया है। इंग्लिश सेक्शन में केवल इंग्लिश में ही क्वेश्चन है। और तो सेट ए की बात करते हैं। सबसे पहले मैथमेटिक्स पार्ट की। Question number 1. Which of the following statement is true? The correct answer of this question would be option number A. Every natural number is a whole number. Now let us proceed to the next question. Question number 2. What type of polynomial is 9x cube? So the answer would be option A. Monomial. Question number 3. Which of the following is correct about the x coordinate of a point? So the correct answer of this question is written in the next column, which is option D. Okay. So now let us proceed to question number 4. The answer of this question, in which quadrant would be the point 2, 5 lie, is option number A. Question number 5. Priya bought some books at a book fair. She bought 4 novels and 3 comics for 550 rupees. If each novel cost 100 rupees, what is the price of each comic? So the answer of this question would be option number D, 50 rupees. Question number 6. Which point will lie on the line represented by the equation y equals to x plus 4? The answer of this question would be option number B. Talking about question number 7, which of Euclid's definition states that a line is a breadthless length? So the answer of this question would be option number C, definition of a line. Coming on question number 8, if point D lies between points A and B on a straight line such that AD is equals to DB, what can be said about point D? So the correct answer would be option number C, D is the midpoint of AB. Now moving to question number 9, if two lines intersect, the sum of all the angles formed is, the answer of this question would be option number A, 360 degrees. Question number 10, two triangles are congruent if. So मैंने तो इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर लगाया था देयर कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स एंड एंगल्स आर इक्वल, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट यहाँ पे आंसर नन ऑफ दीज भी हो सकता है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो एंगल से ये स्पेसिफाई नहीं किया गया है कि ये उन दोनों करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स के बीच का एंगल है कि नहीं है, क्योंकि जो रूल होता है वो साइड एंगल साइड का रूल होता है एंड देयर इज नो रूल फॉर साइड साइड एंगल. सो आई एम नॉट प्रिटी श्योर अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन. द आंसर कुड बी ऑप्शन नंबर डी. Question number 11. In the given triangle ABC, AD is the angle bisector of angle BAC. If AB is equals to AC and BC is equals to 10 cm, what is the relationship between BD and DC? So the answer of this question, according to the figure, would be option number B, BD is equals to DC. Moving on to question number 12. Which property is unique to a rhombus among parallelograms? So the answer would be option C, diagonals are perpendicular to each other in a rhombus. Moving on to question number 13. In this question, the correct answer would be option number C, and the correct answer is also option number B. It is a bit confusing question, so I would not announce the final answer of this question. For according to me, option B and option C both are correct. The answer that I ticked in the exam was that I marked in the exam was option number C. Moving on to question number 14. If two circles intersect at exactly one point, what is the relationship between the two circles? So the correct answer would be option number A. Moving on to question number 15. In the given circle with center O, a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD is inscribed such that its diagonals AC and BD intersect at point E. If angle BAC is equals to 55 degrees and angle BCD is equals to 105 degrees, what is the measure of angle BAD? So using the property of cyclic quadrilateral, in which the sum of opposite angles is 180. So here the solution would be like angle BAD plus angle BCD would be equals to 180 डिग्री. तो हमें जो है दिया गया है एंगल BCD, ये हमें गिवन है. सो वी वुड सबट्रैक्ट दिस एंगल विच इज 105 फ्रॉम 180 डिग्री एंड द करेक्ट आंसर वुड बी ऑप्शन नंबर C. Now moving on to question number 16. The semi-perimeter of a triangle is 15 cm and the lengths of two sides are 12 cm and 14 cm. Find the length of the third side. The correct answer of this question would be option C, 4 cm. Question number 17. Maya wants to paint a triangular section on her living room wall. The sides of the triangle are in the ratio 3:4:5. So the correct answer of this question, I read the question half. The next part of the question is perimeter is 60 meters. Find the ratio of the triangular section. Find the area of the triangular section. The correct answer of this question would be option number B, 150 meters square. Now, as we move on to the next question, which is question number 18, the question says which statement is correct regarding the total surface area of a hemisphere compared to a full sphere of the same radius. So the correct answer of this question would be option number D. The surface area of hemisphere includes the curved surface area plus the base area, making it 3/4 of the sphere. Next question is question number 19. A hemispherical bowl has a radius of 7 cm. Find the total surface area of the bowl. Use pi 22 by 7. The answer would be option number B, 462 centimeters square. Moving on to question number 20. Which of the following is true about a bar graph? So the correct option would be option number D. The height of the bars represent the frequency of data. Talking about question number 21. In the science section, now we had reached the science section. Now I would like you all to send how much marks did you score in the mathematics part. Please write your marks in the comment box. Now moving on to the science section. Question number 21. What is the prime reason that clothes dry faster on a windy day? The correct answer would be wind increases evaporation rate. Moving on to the next question. Question number 22. Which process represents a physical change only? So the correct answer would be option B, mixing of iron fillings and sand. Question number 23. What happens to a suspension when it is left undisturbed? So the correct option would be option number A. The particles settle down. Also, this question is also having two correct options. The particles settle down. It is written in option A and option C as well. So the correct answer is the particles settle down. So according to me, both the answers, both the options, option A and C would be considered. But I am not sure. Now talking about question number 24. Which element is represented by the symbol Pb and what is its historical significance? The answer would be option C. As we move on to question number 25. Which of the following compounds does not obey the law of constant proportion? The answer of this question would be none of these. Here all compounds obey the law of constant proportion. Question number 26. Which of the following analogies best represent Thomson's model of the atom? So the answer would be option number A. Electrons are uniformly distributed in a positively charged sphere like seeds in a watermelon. Question number 26. Move on. Question number 27 पे आते हैं हम लोग. So, an isotope of which element is commonly used in the treatment of cancer? So, the answer of this question would be option B. Question number 28. What are chromosomes composed of and what is their primary function? So, the answer of this question would be option number C. DNA and proteins. As we move on to question number 29. Which type of epithelial tissue is involved in the absorption of nutrients in the intestine? So, the correct answer would be columnar epithelium, option D. Question number 30. While driving at a constant speed, a driver sees another car moving past them in the opposite direction, appearing faster than it actually is. What does this demonstrate? So the correct answer of this question would be option A. Opposite relative motion makes the car seem faster. Question number 31. A footballer kicks a ball with a great force, causing it to accelerate more compared to a lighter kick. Which law of motion explains this observation? So the correct answer of this question would be option D, that is Newton's second law of motion. As we move forward to question number 32. If a person stands on one foot, how does the pressure exerted on the ground compare to when the person stands on both feet? So, you people comment the answer of this question in the comment box. I have marked option D, the pressure is halved. But on some AI sites, it might give the second option B, that is the pressure is double. What I had taken is option D, the pressure is halved. You people comment which option have you people taken in this question. Now let us move on to the question number 33. An elevator lifts a 600 kg load to a height of 10 meters in 20 seconds. What is the power of the elevator? So the answer of this question would be option C, 2940 watts. So how we have taken this? We know that power is equals to work upon time. And here you can see the solution I have done. What I have done is that I have written the work as mgh and then I had placed the value in the formula and solved the equation like this. So the correct answer is 2940 watts. Moving on to the next question, question number 34. A child on a swing reaches the highest point on the swing's motion. What happens to the kinetic energy at this point? So the answer would be option B, it becomes 0. Moving on to question number 35. Ria gently plucks the strings of her guitar and a sound is produced. What causes this sound? The answer of this question would be option number A, the string vibrates. Moving on to the next question. Question number 36. In a large empty hall, why does sound persist longer than in a smaller rooms? Option number B would be correct answer, due to reverberation caused by multiple reflections. Question number 37. Which irrigation method is most suitable for areas with uneven land? The answer would be option D, sprinkler irrigation. बिकॉज इस इरिगेशन मेथड से इवनली स्प्रेड होती है वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स अक्रॉस द फील्ड और लैंड. नाउ लेट अस मूव ऑन टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 38. During a visit to coastal village, Aisha observed fishermen catching fish using large nets directly from the sea. What type of fishing practice were they engaging in? The answer would be option A, capture fishing. As we move on to question number 39, the answer of this question would be option number A for the cell organelle labeled as Q is denoting endoplasmic reticulum. Question number 40. In the diagram of the neuron unit of nervous tissue below, which part is the axon? So the answer is option number D, for it is representing axon. Axon is here. You can see it. So question number 40 is done. Now we reach logical reasoning. इसके पहले आप लोग के साइंस में कितने मार्क्स आए कमेंट में मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा. अब लॉजिकल रीजनिंग की तरफ पढ़ते हैं आगे. Question number 41, the correct answer would be option number B, 64. Question number 42, option number D, C. Now question number 43, the correct answer is option number A, Friday. Question number 44, the correct answer would be option C, mouth. In question number 45, the correct answer would be option number A. In question number 46, Rahul says, I am the son of the man who is the father of Neha's mother. How is Rahul related to Neha? In this question, the correct answer would be option C, uncle. अब यहाँ पे ध्यान देने वाली बात ये है, नेफ्यू क्यों नहीं होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे पूछा जा रहा है कि राहुल नेहा से कैसे रिलेटेड है, ना कि नेहा राहुल से कैसे रिलेटेड है. ओके, सो लेट अस मूव ऑन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 47. Kiran walks 10 km north, then turns right and walks 6 kilometers. She then turns left and walks 8 km and finally returns left and walks 6 km. तो इस क्वेश्चन का जो आंसर होगा वो होगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी, 18 km north. Moving on to question number 48, the answer would be option number in question number 48, the answer would be option number B, 35. Moving on to question number 49, the correct answer of this question would be option number A. ये क्वेश्चन मेरा गलत हो गया. Moving on to question number 50, the correct answer of this question would be option number A again. In question number 51, the correct answer of this question is on the next page and the correct answer would be option number C, in which both the statements are correct. So here you can see that the correct answer is option number C. Question number 52, two statements are given below and we have to read them and answer the correct option and choose the correct option. So the correct option here would be option number A, statement 1 is the cause and statement 2 is the effect. Moving on to question number 53, each question consists of two statements. This question is assertion reason question. The correct answer of this question would be option number A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 54. How will the pattern appear if the transparent sheet is folded along the dotted line as shown in the figure? So the correct answer would be obviously option A. Question number 55. The answer of question number 55 would be option number C, 2. This question of mine was wrong. मैंने इसका 1 किया था लेकिन correct answer option 2 होगा. Sorry, option C होगा जो कि 2 है. Question number 56. What was the day of the week on 1st April 2011? So the correct answer of this question is option B, Friday. Question number 57. Correct answer would be option number D. आप लोगों ने क्या किया इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर बताइएगा. Then question number 58. The correct answer of this question is option number C, 3. Question number 59. Count the number of triangles in the given figure. इस क्वेश्चन का जो करेक्ट आंसर होगा वो होगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी, 40. यहाँ पे 40 ट्राइंगल्स हैं. ये क्वेश्चन मेरा गलत हो गया, फॉर आई हैड मार्क्ड 38. क्वेश्चन नंबर 60. इन अ सर्टेन कोड लैंग्वेज सून इज कोडेड एज 126. इस क्वेश्चन का जो आंसर होगा वो होगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी, 82. अब आप लोग के इस सेक्शन में कितने मार्क्स आए ये भी मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताइएगा. फिर अब आते हैं हम लोग क्वेश्चन नंबर 61 पे, जो कि अब हम लोग पहुँच चुके हैं इंग्लिश सेक्शन पे. ये पैसेज बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं शुरुआत के, जो 61 से 65 क्वेश्चन हैं. और मैं आप लोग के साथ अपने मार्क्स भी ज़रूर शेयर करूँगी. जब रिजल्ट आएगा तो मेरी उस वीडियो को भी ज़रूर देखिएगा कि मेरे कितने मार्क्स आए हैं. और बाकी आप लोग भी मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा कि आपके इस आंसर की के अकॉर्डिंग कितने मार्क्स आ रहे हैं. वीडियो के एंड में मैं आपको बताऊँगी कि मेरे इस आंसर की के अकॉर्डिंग कितने मार्क्स आ रहे हैं. Now talking about question number 61, what is the primary focus of the passage? The correct answer would be option number B. Question number 62, the correct answer would be option C. Question number 63, the correct answer would be option number B. In question number 64, the correct answer would be option number D. In question number 65, the correct answer would be option number C. In question number 66, the correct answer would be option number B. In question number 67, the correct answer would be must. In question number 68, the correct answer would be option number C. In question number 69, the correct answer would be option D. In question number 70, the correct answer would be option number option number B, blue. In question number 71, the correct answer would be option number B, zoo. In question number 72, the correct answer of this question would be option number B, that is quickly. In question number 73, the correct answer would be option number A. In question number 74, the correct answer would be option number B. In question number 75, the correct answer would be option number A, kept. Question number 76, correct answer is option number A, and question number 77, correct answer is option number B, peak. In question number 78, correct answer is option number D. In question number 79, the correct answer is option number C. Talking about question number 80, so the correct answer of this question is option number A, which is happy. अब हम लोग पहुंच चुके हैं जनरल नॉलेज के सेक्शन में. आपके इंग्लिश सेक्शन में कितने मार्क्स आए मुझे कमेंट में ज़रूर बताइएगा. तो अब बात करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 81 की, जो कि जनरल नॉलेज का पार्ट है. सो द फेमस पीकॉक थ्रोन वाज मेड ड्यूरिंग द रेन ऑफ विच मुगल एम्परर. द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन वुड बी ऑप्शन ए, शाहजहां. Moving on to the next question, question number 82. Which river is known as the sorrow of Bihar due to its frequent floods? The question is this, and the correct answer of this question would be option C, Kosi River. Question number 83. Which Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India due to its IT industry? Correct answer would be option D, Bangalore. Question number 84. The continent of Africa is separated from Europe by which sea? The correct answer would be Mediterranean Sea, option B. Question number 85. Which amendment added the words socialist and secular to the preamble of the Indian Constitution? The answer would be option D, which is written on the next column, which is 42nd Amendment 1976. Now moving on to the next question, which is question number 86. Inflation refers to which one of the following? The correct answer would be option C, increase in general price levels. Moving on to question number 87. The Atal Pension Yojana is targeted at which segment of the population? The correct answer is workers in the unorganized sectors. Moving on to question number 88. Which country plans to launch the Artemis 2nd mission aimed at returning humans to the moon? The correct answer is option A, United States of America. Question number 89. Which organization is primarily responsible for regulating international trade in endangered species? The answer to this question is option A. Question number 90. Midnight's Children, which won the Booker Prize, was written by whom? So the correct answer of this question is option C. Moving on to question number 91. The Booker Prize is awarded for excellence in which field? So the answer is option B, literature. Question number 92. Which tennis player is known as the king of clay? So the correct answer would be option number A. Question number 93. Who among the following is a famous Indian santoor player? The correct answer would be option number B. Question number 94. Which of the following countries is not a member of ASEAN? The correct answer is option D, India. Question number 95. The BRICS group consists of which of the following countries? The correct answer is option A, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Moving on to question 96. The International Day of Peace is celebrated on. The correct answer of this question is option number C, 21st September. Question number 97. Who is credited with the discovery of radioactivity? Correct answer is option B. Moving on to question 98. Machu Picchu, an ancient Incan city, is located in which country? The correct answer is option B, Peru. Question number 99. Which is the longest railway platform in India? कुछ समय पहले तक गोरखपुर स्टेशन था एंड आई नो दिस वेरी वेल, बट अब नहीं है. मैं क्यों जानती हूँ? बिकॉज समहाउ आई एम रिलेटेड टू दिस प्लेस गोरखपुर. आप में से कितने लोग गोरखपुर से बिलोंग करते हैं मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताइएगा. बट राइट नाउ जो लॉन्गेस्ट स्टेशन है वो है हमारा हुबली स्टेशन. अब बात करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 100, द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. ओ माय गॉड, हम लोगों ने पूरा पेपर खत्म कर दिया. ये सो व्हाट इज द कैपिटल ऑफ फ्रांस एंड व्हाट करेंसी डू दे यूज? So the capital of France is Paris and the currency they officially use is euro. So option B. So now we have came to an end of this Hindustan Olympiad. But wait. Bonus section is left. मेरी किस्मत इतनी खराब थी या मैं कहूँ मेरा टाइम मैनेजमेंट इतना ख़राब था कि मैं ये बोनस सेक्शन अटेम्प्ट कर ही नहीं पाई। फिलहाल लेट मी डिस्कस द आंसर ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चंस विथ यू। आपने इन क्वेश्चंस के बोनस सेक्शन के क्या आंसर किए मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में एक बार ज़रूर बताइएगा। कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा कि आपके टोटल कितने मार्क्स बन रहे हैं। मेरे जो टोटल 75 मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 100 बन रहे थे। कुछ चेंजेस आंसर में हो सकते हैं, जो मैंने आपको कुछ क्वेश्चंस बताए हैं जिसमें मुझे डाउट है, उसके मार्क्स में हेराफेरी हो सकती है। सो लीविंग देम आई हैव काउंटेड माई सेल्फ गेनिंग 75 आउट ऑफ 100 मार्क्स। ये पेपर था सेट ए का क्लास 9 सेशन 2025 टू 2026 के लिए। अब कमेंट बॉक्स में अपने मार्क्स बताना मत भूलिएगा। टेक केयर, बाय बाय।